Hey guys, what's up? It's Julian Shaw here. Just woke up this morning with some very cool news. I am inside that coveted top 5% on OnlyFans. Now, this was something a lot of people said I would not be able to do as a male and as a guy running a safe for work page that's primarily focused on fitness, but I did do it. You could do the same with your page. I have 3 tips that I've learned in my first month that I think would help you grow if you want to go on this platform. So here they are. Number 1, rapport is everything. When you say slide into the DMs, you can't be looking at it just as a business transaction. There are people on the other end of this payment gateway, okay? And if you forget about the people on the other side, you're not gonna have longevity on the site. You might blow up, but I really don't think people are gonna stick around and keep rebill on. You are offering a genuine human connection. And arising from that are the needs that people have, the kind of content they want to see. And once the conversation is flowing, you'll be able to ascertain how you can serve them better with specific content. So I say invest your time into communicating with people and have fun with it. You're making genuine connections. And even if you take it from a purely mercenary business point of view, you are going to make more money if you have genuine connections with people. So invest in the people. I cannot stress that enough. My second tip would be just ask more questions. What are you looking for? It's not all about me saying, hey, here's what I'm doing with my fitness or my wellness. Ask people what problem they're having, and then you can create customized content that's going to solve that problem for them. So you need to be a good talker on this platform, but you need to be an even better listener. Okay, my mission is to make wellness and mental health sexy. Right? I get what this platform is. I get that it has a sexy edge to it. I get that. And I package my content in a fun, steamy, playful way, okay? But I'm actually delivering a product that I'm passionate about, which is wellness, mental health, optimizing your life. Kind of keeps me going through the hard days or the slow days on this platform. Just remember, you got a deeper reason why. Anyway, I hope those tips are helpful. If you guys want to ask me questions, just send me a DM, reach out to me. I'm happy to chat about OnlyFans anytime. Have a great day.